got your hook turned?
Yeah.
There we go.
Good, hold it there. Hey Ron, just send this back up. I'm gonna have you come and get me to tie this second one. But here, I'll just, no, you're good. I'll just leave it right there. Okay, drop it down some. It's really hairy up here.
You gotta be careful, that looks real questionable, your footing.
Oh, I know. No, the footing is bad for sure. Let me get my second line tied on here. I'm just going to have you come and get me to tie this other one on. I'm not going to try and tie it off with this footing. Okay, can you come down a little more, Ron?
Yeah, but I don't see where we're gonna tie it. And I guess we're gonna tie it below this hairy stuff.
I think right by